This video tutorial I will explain what is encryption in transit. Encryption in transit refers to the process of securing information. As the information travels from one place to another place over the internet or any network. Imagine you are sending a secret message to your friend. You put the message inside the lockbox before sending it. Only your friend has the key to open this box and read the message. During the journey, even if someone tries to peek inside the box, they cannot understand the message because it is securely locked. In the digital world, when you send a message, browse a website, or share data online, the information moves through different paths like wire connection or wireless connection. Encryption in transit is like putting that information into a virtual lockbox. Before sending the information gets transformed into a secret code that only intended receiver can decode. This coded information travels through the internet, staying safe and unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it without the right key. In simple terms, encryption in transit ensures that your data is protected and remains private while it is moving from one place to another place across the internet, just like a secret message inside the lockbox during its journey. Here we will see how to implement encryption in transit. Encrypting data in transit means securing information. As the information moves from one place to another place, such as sending data over the internet or within a network. First one is understand encryption basics. Encryption is a way of encoding information in a manner that can only be decoded or understood by authorized recipients. Encryption involves converting plain text or data into an encoded form using algorithms and cryptographic keys. Second one is use secure communication protocols. Ensure you are using secure communication protocols like HTTPS protocol for web browsing or SFTP protocol for transferring files. These protocols encrypt data during transmission and provides a secure channel for communication. HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. SFTP is nothing but Secure File Transfer Protocol. Third one is implement SSL or TLS certificates. For websites and online services, use SSL or TLS certificates to encrypt the data exchanged between a user's browser and the website's server. These certificates help establishing secure connections and preventing unauthorized access to the sensitive information. Fourth one is enable end-to-end encryption. When communicating through messaging apps or email services, opt for a platform that offer end-to-end encryption. This end-to-end encryption ensures the messages are encrypted on the sender device and can only be decrypted by the intended recipient. Fifth one is use encrypted networks. When connecting to public Wi-Fi or networks, choose the networks that offer encryption to safeguard your data from unauthorized interception by others on the same network. Sixth one is utilize VPNs. VPN create encrypted tunnels between your device and the internet and providing privacy and security by masking your IP address and encrypting all the data transmitted through the VPN server. Seventh one is secure file transfer. When transferring files or sensitive data, use encryption tools or services that offer secure file transfer capabilities, such as encrypted email attachments or secure cloud storage with encryption. Eighth one is keep software updated. Regularly update software, including operating systems, browsers, and security applications to ensure you have the latest security patches and encryption protocols. Ninth one is practice good password hygiene. Always use strong unique passwords for different accounts, and you have to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. Remember, encryption in transit helps to protect your data while it is on the move, and it is making it much harder for unauthorized parties to access or intercept sensitive information. And it is an essential practice for safeguarding your privacy and maintaining data security. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.